So guys, today we are making delicious tomato soup. So for this we already took all this ingredient using this video. See, we took like tomato, this in whole spices you can take, cinnamon stick, cloves, bay leaves also you can take, it's optional, salt, corn flour, this butter ghee is you can take, butter also you can take, and this one like mixer also you have to mix our, first we have to boil our this I will show you how you will boil your this tomato, then you have to grind here, and we have to fry in ghee, and then we will put corn flour after to give thickness to our gravy. So all this ingredient, this utensils also give you knife and this spoon like this, you should need all this item. So you should see this video till last, because in this video you will see how you will make this tomato soup at your home. So I hope you will be enjoy this recipe. If you still not subscribe our channel, subscribe also and tell to your friend also, because in this channel you found all informative video which we upload daily. So I will show you step by step. Please see this video till last. So let's start. Make this our tomato soup. I already took one pan and put water here, and I took this tomato, so we have to cut like this here and have to boil. When this boil finish, so we have to grind here. Okay, I will show you. So like this cut you can give your tomato, because this will have to boil, so we have to remove this skin. Okay, so now I will put here and have to boil maybe 5 to 10 minutes. So when we will remove this skin, and then we have to grind this our tomato. Okay, so we have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so see, now this our tomato already done. So see this already removing our skin, so we have to remove from this and we have to grind this. Okay, so I already removed this and have to grind it. Okay, we have to grind in grinder, and this market available like this, you can take this tomato puree from market also. So then directly you can cook with tomato puree. Okay, so now we have to remove this skin and grind. So we already remove skin from tomato, so now we have to grind in grinder. Okay, then we have to cook. Okay, I will show you. See, we already grind it our tomato. So I already took another pan, so now we have to cook this our tomato soup. Okay, took one pan already, our oil already heated, so I put now all the spices. I put already here our pure ghee, as I showed you before, this butter, and now we put all the spices like cinnamon stick and this cloves and this everything, and have to mix it. Okay, and then we have to add our this tomato puree which we made. Okay, like this. So we have to cook here maybe 5 to 10 minutes. We have to cook this one, and we have to check this our thickness of gravy. Then we will add little corn flour here. Okay, to give thickness to our soup. Okay, so we have to cook 5 to 10 minutes here, and put little salt also. Okay, not too much, only little. Okay, and have to cook 5 to 10 minutes. Then we will add little corn flour here. Okay, to put corn flour, I already mix our corn flour here, so I will put when this will be little put. Okay, so now it is only 5 to 10 minutes finished, so we have to put now this corn flour. Okay, and have to mix well and check this thickness. So should be this little thick. Okay, like this. Again 5 minutes cook, then I will show you how you will serve. Okay, like this you can mix, both thickness will come like this. Okay, like this. 5 minutes have to cook, then I will show you. Okay. So now 5 minutes finished. See the thickness of our soup. So this is ready now. Okay. So now we have to serve this. You can serve with bread stick or lemon juice, lemon, and also this bread crumb. Okay. So you can remove this bay leaves, and this one you have to strain. I will serve now. Okay. So this is ready to serve now. Okay. So now this is our tomato soup already ready. See the thickness, and also this color also should be like this. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. You can serve this with bread stick or bread crumb like this. We can serve this. Okay. Put little lemon also. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. If you have any query regarding this or any other query, please comment in comment box and tell to us you need another which video. So I hope you will do like this. If you still not subscribe our channel also. We will come with another informative video also. Till then, have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.